Okay, everyone, as promised, here's the continuation, which wraps up the multimedia recordings for week 3. Uh, General overview of MRP 1. For item number 1 that you see listed, make that your cover page. Just put your name. If you currently have a workplace, put that. And under that, write your general research interest. So, for example, maybe you're interested in college student retention, or you're interested in leadership development within the forestry industry. Whatever it is, just a very broad topic. On the next page, this is where you're going to start your actual paper. So you can put Roman numeral 2 as a heading, context of the problem, and then under that, start typing your paper. For item 2, this is where you're going to identify the topic and provide some basic level of justification. So, for example, if you want to look at college student retention, why do we need to look at college student retention? Is it an issue in post-secondary education? So, for example, of topics related to higher education, a great source that I often go to for my own writing to justify a topic is the Chronicle of Higher Education. Uh, for us in post-secondary ed, that's what I would label as a trade magazine. It's a highly respected source that represents a wide range of topics and perspectives related to our field. So if there's a trade magazine for your field, or whether it's where you currently work or where you'd like to work, use that as a great source. If you have questions about a source being trusted and being a good place to start for offering justification for your research topic, please shoot me an email or give me a call and let me know that what your question is, and I'd be happy to give my thoughts on whether you've identified a great starting point to offer justification, or if we need to look somewhere else to find something a little bit more trusted. For item 3, all you need to do is write one research question. So put as a heading, put Roman numeral 3 specific research question. Then under that, type out one specific research question. Not 2, not 3, not one main question with sub-questions. Write one question. It'll be a lot easier to address your MRP as we move through the semester if you have a single research question. Trust me on this one. I'm speaking from experience in helping students previously through the MRP, and they had gone the route of not following advice and having a main question with sub-questions, and they found it very hard to structure some parts of the MRP because they basically had multiple research questions. For item 4, think about the type of information you would need to answer your research question. For now, assume a quantitative study because that's the only way you're going to have variables. We're going to be taking a swing at qualitative study based on our topics a little bit later in the semester. So if you have an interest in qualitative research, we'll have an opportunity to shift our thinking in that direction later. But for now, it can be a lot easier to address this topic, or this assignment rather, by thinking in terms of a quantitative approach. Now, you don't need an extensive list of variables, just focus on big ideas and concepts. If this feels extra challenging because we really haven't gotten terribly deep into any of these topics yet, just do your best and I'll offer guidance to help you move forward. If you have questions about putting together MRP1, or you want to run topics by me, again, want to check on the trustability of a particular source of information to justify your topic, shoot me an email or give me a call, and I'll be happy to do my best to help you.